In this quick tutorial, we will see how to use Intersect tool in ArcGIS Pro. First of all, let's create two polygon shapefile with intersecting polygon. For that, go to Catalog pane. If you do not see the Catalog pane here, you can go to View and then click Catalog pane. Then in your project folder or any other connected folder, we can create the shapefile. Let's create the shapefile in our project folder. Right click and new, click shapefile. Let's name it poly1 and geometry type should be polygon, and we can select any coordinate system. Let's go for current map and run. Our polygon 1 is created. Now let's create another one. Let's name it poly2 and it is also polygon, and other things are okay. Let's run again. So our second polygon is also created. Now we will draw two intersecting polygon in our polygon shapes. Let's go for the polygon 1 first. Select polygon 1 and then go to edit and let's click create. Here we need to select polygon 1 and we can create different types of polygon. Let's go for circle. We have drawn one circle in our polygon 1 shape. Let's click OK and save. Now we will select polygon 2 and draw another circle. Let's go to the create feature, or you can also click this create. And now here we need to select the polygon 2 and let's select the circle again. Now let's create another circle. Click this finish button and save. Let's change the color of this. Now we will run the Intersect tool. For that, go to Analysis and click Tools and search for Intersect. Click Intersect. And if you mouse over this question mark, you can see the function of this tool. If we put input to input, and then output will be only the intersected part. Now let's select our inputs. Polygon 1 and another input should be polygon 2. If you have any selection, you can use that selection, or we can also remove the selection first. Then we will not see the masses. And if you want, you can select the location of your output shape, but for now the default location works for me. And output type, you can select either same as input or line or point, but we want it to be the same as input. Now let's run the tool. If you want, you can also use pairwise intersect, which is enhanced functionality and performance. You will find faster performance in pairwise intersection tool. Let's run the tool. Now, along with our previous two polygons, we can see another polygon is created. Let's change the color of this and we can see the intersection only. If we turn off the previous two polygons, only the intersected part is shown. Thanks for watching.